Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to add some cryptocurrency network on your MetaMask extension. So if you want to learn how you can add or open an account using the MetaMask extension, or how you can add MetaMask extension to your mobile browser, please go to the description of the video. You are going to see a link that is going to guide you to a video where it's going to teach you more on how you can add MetaMask extension to your mobile browser. If you are new to this channel, please help me by hitting on the subscription button, and if this video is encouraging enough and it is helpful, please make sure to smash on that like button. Thank you. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys how you can add network on your MetaMask. So after creating MetaMask, they are going to give you only the Ethereum network. So when I was making a video, I added the Arbitrum one. So for you to add network like Polygon network, Binance Smart Chain network, you just click on add network. So you click on add network. What you need to do is to just click on all these add. So they are going to add them, like the Aurora mainnet, you add Avalanche network C chain, you add the Silos mainnet, you add the Phantom Opera, you add. Just click on add to add them. So I'm going to add the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to add the Binance Smart Chain. Now you click on approve. You click on this. Now you scroll down. If you are using the Kiwi browser, if you are using your Chrome, you're going to see it. If you are using your Yandex, I'm going to show you where to get your MetaMask using the Yandex. So I'm going to go to my Yandex now to show you guys where you can get your MetaMask. For those of you that don't know, you're going to click on anything on this my Yandex. So I'm just going to, so if you want to get your MetaMask extension, you click on this. After clicking on it, you take it down, you're going to see extensions. Now you're going to see MetaMask. So this is where to get your MetaMask if you are using the Yandex browser, because some of you have been asking me about this. So now I'm going to go back to the Kiwi browser. So for you to get your MetaMask, you just touch here, you're going to see your MetaMask. So now I'm going to go back to my MetaMask. All right, let's see. All right guys, looking on it guys, the Binance Smart Chain is there. So for you to add another network, you click on add. Now you click on, let me say optimism, click on add again, click on approve. Network added successfully. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see it here. And in case you want to add a network that is not here, what you need to do is to add a network manually. So come here, you put down the network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, and you put down the currency symbol, block explorer. So if you don't have all these details on your network, I'm going to show you a website that is going to help you to provide this. So now guys, I'm going to go to chain list. What you need to do is to go to chainlist.org. Now you click on it. So after clicking on the chainlist.org, you take it down, so you can see search network. You can search the network that you're looking for here. You can also include testnet. For those of you that want to add testnet, you can include testnet here. But first of all, you need to connect your wallet. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So we're going to go back. So connect wallet. So I'm going to connect wallet. So after clicking on connect, you can see I have a request on my MetaMask. You click on the MetaMask. So now they are asking for you to approve. You click next, you click on connect. So Chainlink has accessed your wallet. So now what you need to do back is to go to the Chainlink. So okay, I've added the wallet. So if you don't have the Ethereum mainnet, which is the first network you are going to get after registering on the MetaMask extension, you click add. If you don't have it, or if you mistakenly deleted it, you click add. It's going to add. You can see the Binance Smart Chain, we just added it, so no need for this. Arbitrum 1 is already there. So I think the Polygon mainnet is not there, so I'm going to add it here. But first, let's confirm this. So let's see. So list of network, I have Ethereum mainnet, Timizin, BNB Smart Chain, and Arbitrum 1. So now guys, I'm going to add the Polygon. Let's see. I'm going to add Polygon. Click on add to MetaMask. So this is what you need to do. Now you go back to your MetaMask extension. Okay, so now you approve switch network, cut it. So let's check guys. You can see Polygon mainnet. So now guys, for you to add other network, go back to the chain link. Okay, we have Optimism already. Avalanche C chain, we don't have it. Phantom Opera, we don't have it. Chronos mainnet, Kava, and a lot more. I just want to show you guys how you can add a network, or if you are looking for a particular network, this is what you need to do. Maybe let me say I'm looking for Chronos. Okay, you can see guys, Chronos mainnet beta. You click on add. Now you go back to MetaMask. Now you click approve, you switch network. So that is how you can add network on the MetaMask. Any network that you're looking for, you take it to Chainlink. Chainlink are going to easily add it for you. So if you cannot add it manually yourself, like going to Google or going to their official website to get some of their code and the rest, just make sure to use the Chainlink to add it. So once you are done, you can disconnect the Chainlink at any time. You can enter connected site, you can see Chainlink, and you disconnect. You just click on disconnect. So how can you disconnect your Chainlink? You click on this, you see connected site, click on it, then you disconnect. So that is how you can go about it. So if you want to know how to add testnet tokens to your MetaMask, please make sure to go to the description of this video. You're going to see a link that is going to guide you. And if you want to know how to add MetaMask extension to your mobile browser like Chrome, Kiwi browser, Yandex, Firefox, and some supported browser, please make sure you go to the description of this video. You're going to see a link that is going to guide you. And if you want to know how you can add testnet tokens, please also make sure you go to the description of this video. You're going to see a link for guidance. So yeah, that's all for now. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.